Former French President Nicolas Sarkozy has faced several accusations. The one involving Libya is the most controversial by far. Nicolas Sarkozy is accused of taking money from former Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi. That was in 2007 during his presidential campaign, in exchange promising to clear up Muammar Gaddafi's image. The defense says that this never happened and that those who accuse Nicolas Sarkozy and his co-defendants are all lying. If the accusations are found to be true, then this would be corruption in a presidential election, a first here in France. But this case goes much further. It involves terrorism. Libya, at the time, and Muammar Gaddafi admitted to planning and carrying out several terrorist attacks that killed hundreds of people, including dozens of French citizens. Well, in court, we saw relatives of the victims turning to President Sarkozy and asking him, "Was my relative a token for you? Did you accept money to clear the killer's name?" The former French president said, no, that's a lie. He never did that. And he said that he had relations with Muammar Gaddafi, but that was at a time when the international community had dropped all sanctions. Libya was no longer a pariah state. It may be a journal kept by a former minister in Libya, the petrol minister, Shirli Sitbon. Now, he was found dead in the Danube River, but in 2007, in April, before the French presidential election, he wrote that there were money transfers to Nicolas Sarkozy. Now, the French president always said that those who claim they gave money to him at the time, they are lying. They're acting out of revenge because he was among those who pushed to topple Muammar Gaddafi. Well, Shirli Sitbon, he wrote those things in April 2007, before the election of Nicolas Sarkozy, long before the Arab Spring, before Muammar Gaddafi was toppled. He had no way of knowing that things would turn sour between Libya and France. Meanwhile, Nicolas Sarkozy's attorneys say the document is forged.